That was the nice view we had when we were driving into the park.
It's cool seeing like the cars beside the trees and just how big they are. You can see on most of the big sequoias that there's huge burn mark on forest fires. That's how they grow so big, is because during forest fires all the competing vegetation gets burned and the sequoias can withstand it due to their thick bark and layer of water behind the bark that absorbs the heat. This is the president on the tall street.
I was calling the president El President.
Because like El Capitan.
Yeah. And yeah, such a different day than the next day. There was little patches of snow. The sun was shining, but mostly bare ground.
After walking around Golden Hour for a while, we headed back to the car. And luckily we parked right beside a good sunset spot, which is called Beetle Rock.
Yeah, it was so pretty. All the layers. Love it. And we got distracted by the sunset, so then we started hiking out in the dark.
The tent collapsing from the snow. Yeah, so we didn't really see much like hiking to where we camped because it was dark the whole time. But then we wake up in the middle of the night and the tent is like
Caving it.
it just started snowing like crazy.
Yeah, we knew it was going to snow. It was calling for a lot of snow, but it was kind of wild for it actually to happen and feel it caving in on us.
Well, it was like 10 p.m. and there was no snow, and then like at like midnight or 1 there was like a ton.
And you can see it snowing a bunch there too. It kept snowing when I was out there trying to dig out the tent. That's my phone video of how it was looking. And I just like wiped down the whole tent and was trying to dig out all the sides.
And then we woke up to this in the morning. We were pretty surprised how much it snowed. Almost a foot.
Yeah, when we first got up, it felt like sunny and brighter, and then it kind of started snowing more and got pretty cloudy and just wasn't really any visibility.
Yeah, we were gonna keep hiking like farther on the trail, but there was like no visibility, so we ended up just hiking back to the car, which took forever in the snow.
Trudging through the deep snow, which we'll see soon.
But it was cool because there was like literally no footprints, so we were completely by ourselves on this trail and no one had walked on it after it snowed, so it was kind of cool.
Oh yeah, the first thing we had to do, of course, in the morning was fill our water so we could cook our breakfast and everything.
Freezing cold stream. How's it with the sugar?
It's better, but I still don't love it. I was so cold. My beautiful hat and hood combination.
Here's where our tent was. And the trees are just so cool with the snow on them. Like, just nothing like we'd ever seen at all before. It looked like you were taking a picture of yourself.
Here you can kind of see the, I don't know how to describe it, I guess the weight of the snow. It just made it a bit harder to walk through.
It's like my favorite picture we got, I think.
Yeah, that one was really nice. little bit hilly, just like up a couple slopes, but it wasn't too bad. Again, it just felt more challenging walking through the snow than just on an easy path. Oh, and this is when we got back. Our car was covered.
They didn't give us a snow brush with our car. We have tire chains, but no snow brush.